Good morning, student. Good morning, class 7. Student, today we will continue the same lesson, the preposition. Now, see, preposition. See the preposition. Preposition of a place and direction. Preposition of a place and direction. At, এবার আমরা at টা use কোথায় করব? Where we will use the at. At is used for a point of a space where someone or something is. মানে একটা পয়েন্ট অফ এ স্পেস, একটা পয়েন্ট অফ এ স্পেস মানে একটা জায়গা, ওকে, where someone or something is, যেখানে একটা জায়গা বা কিছু আছে। Then like there was a long queue at the bus stand. That means here is a long queue. Queue means line. একটা লম্বা লাইন আছে, কোথায় আছে? At the bus stand, মানে বাস স্ট্যান্ডে লম্বা লাইন আছে। We shall meet him at his office. We shall meet at his office, okay, and at is a preposition here. We also say at the station, at home, at school, at work, okay. At is also used in front of these words, okay. Next one is in. In is used with the name of a container, place, area to indicate where someone or something is. It is normally used for any space having volume. The shirt is in Almira. The shirt is in Almira. A pen is in the drawer. He is sitting in a chair. I was in my room. Okay, we say in a large city, in a field, in a forest, in India, in Asia, etc. তাহলে এখানে আমরা ইনটাকে ইউজ করি। On. On is used with a surface area to indicate where someone or something is. Like book is on the table. Answer is on page number 35. There is something on your face. He was sitting on a chair without arms seen as surface. That means on is used in a surface area. Suppose you are sitting on a bed and we will say that he is sitting on the bed. That means on the bed, surface area, used as a surface area indicating to someone or something. Now see from and to, where from and to is used. From is used for starting a particular place, position or condition. To is used for a point of destination. To is used for a point of destination. He went from Ambala to Delhi by train. He went from Ambala to Delhi by train. The bricks dropped from a height of 6 feet. The brick dropped from a height of 6 feet. He comes home from office at 6 p.m. Into, out of, and through. These are the words. This is also called preposition. Now see. Into is normally used for a place seen as an area or a volume. Where into is used? Suppose you are entering through a room. যখন suppose ভাবো তুমি একটা রুমের মধ্যে এন্টার করছো, তার মানে কি you are entering into the room, তার মানে কি তুমি যাচ্ছ রুমের মধ্যে দিয়ে। Yes, he ran into the room. Out of, where out of is used is for direction, কোনো দিক বোঝানো। Away from any area, usually closed by the boundary or seen as a volume. Out of. He moved out of the city yesterday. The boys came out of the room. Okay, and see where through is indicated, where through is used. Through indicates the moving into the space seen as a volume by side and going out it from the other side. The train went through the tunnel. He walked through the hall, like this. Now see towards. Towards means looking or moving in a particular direction. He saw his friend coming towards him. She is looking towards the village. I had my back towards the door. That means towards মানে ওই দিকে, meaning looking, ওই দিকে বোঝাচ্ছি towards, তাই না, moving in a particular direction. Above, over, under, in front of, behind. These prepositions are used to indicate the position of something. Position of a something. Above. Above is used for a higher position than something. Above is used for a higher position or something. He raised his arm above his head. The water came above his knees. She lives in a flat above mine. Now see the over. Over is used for a position higher than but not touching it. Over is used for a position. একটা পজিশনের জন্য ইউজ হয়. Higher than but not touching it. But কোনো টাচ করছে না. A lamp hung over the table. A lamp. See the lamp which is hung মানে উপরে ঝুলে রয়েছে. Over. Okay. Use a position higher than but not touching it. ভাবো তুমি খাটে বসে আছো, তার থেকে উপরে তোমার সিলিং ফ্যান রয়েছে, তার মানে কি দ্য সিলিং ফ্যান ইজ ওভার ইউর হেড, তাহলে তোমার উপরে রয়েছে। আর অ্যাবভ কখন হয়? অনেক উপরে। শি হেল্ড অ্যান আমব্রেলা ওভার হার, হেল্ড অ্যান আমব্রেলা ওভার হার। নাও সি বিলো। Below is used. Where below is used? Below is used for a lower level or position. You should not write below the line. আমাদের কখনো লাইনে নিচে লেখা উচিত নয়। Fish were swimming below the surface of the water. Where the fish are swimming, they were swimming below the surface of the water. Now see the under. Under is used to indicate that someone or something is directly below something. The cat was under the table. She looked under the bed. She stood under the tent. Okay. Then in front of. In front of is used in a position forward than but close to somebody or something. A car was in front of the bus. He stood in front of me. The bus stopped in front of our house. Okay. Now see behind. Behind মানে কি? পেছনে. Okay. পেছনে. Behind is opposite of in front. It means towards the back of the body. But something. Bus was behind the car. He stood behind me. The dog was running behind him. Now see across. Across means from one side to the other of something. একদিক থেকে আরেক দিকে আমি যাচ্ছি. That means across. He ran across the field. He walked across the street. He flew across the Atlantic Ocean. Alongs indicate the motion from one end towards the other end of something. She walked along the street. They went along the road. And this. Off. O-double-F off. It means totally stop. Off indicate the motions away from the position or something. He is swept off the dust. Totally ওখান থেকে ওই পজিশন থেকে টোটালি ওখানে সরিয়ে দিল। He fell off the ladder. সে টোটালি ওখান থেকে পড়ে গেল। Take your dirt feet off my clean floor. আমার পরিষ্কার মেঝের থেকে তুমি তোমার নোংরা পাটি সরাও। See student, I have completed up to this and I am giving the homework to do the exercise number 2, exercise number 3, exercise number 4 and exercise number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this will be the homework for everyone. Clear everyone? Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.